Hi, this video will demonstrate how to get logged on to Adobe Connect for attending class online, live, or for accessing my online office hours. The first thing that you'll want to do is to pull up your web browser and type in the URL. It may be easier just to copy and paste it. Keep in mind that each class has a different URL along with my office hours. They all do start off similar and will be connect.shot.smsu.edu/. However, the ending will be different. For today, I'm going to use my Feeney Math 0098, but there'll be a different URL for other classes and/or office hours. Once you type the URL, you hit enter and it will take you to the Adobe Connect login page. What you want to do is enter as a guest. Notice that it defaults to enter with your login and password. You do not have a login and password for Adobe Connect. Instead, you want to just simply enter as a guest and type your name. So today we'll have Taylor Swift enter our class. Now, if the class is activated, you will be placed into the classroom. However, if the class is not activated, you will get this message here. Notice that your class will only be activated during your class time. For example, Math 0098 is only activated Monday, Wednesdays from 3 to 4:15. Or my office hours will only be activated during my office hours. So if you're trying to connect at a different time, you'll be placed in this screen. If you're trying to connect when the class is activated, it will look different. If the class has been activated, then it will look like this screen here. Your name will appear here under participants and you'll see me, Shannon Feeney, as the host. If you're accessing a class, to the left, this white area will probably be a broadcast of the class, so you'll be seeing what we're doing in class. If you are accessing my online office hours, you will probably see this white screen. This white screen allows me to come in here and write out math questions and work questions for you as you're watching. Okay? However, if it's class, you'll be watching the class. The way that you communicate to me is using the chat feature located in the bottom right. Notice that you can go to the chat, click on the bar, and type me a message, and it will appear. I will monitor this during class, and I will use this to answer your questions during my office hours. So it's pretty simple to get logged on if you remember these key points. Number one, make sure you have the right URL. There's a different one for each class and for the office hours. Number two, make sure that you enter the Adobe Connect as a guest. It defaults to login and password, but you want to make sure that you enter as a guest. And number three, you want to make sure that you are trying to access the class or office hours during a time when it's activated. If you have questions or problems logging on, please just let me know.